Hi, dear listeners. Today we will touch on a topic in the geology of the oil sector. You can tell your impressions about the topic in the comments. Let's go to our topic. Exploration is the process of discovering oil and gas accumulations. It is very difficult and uncertain to discover such accumulations because they are located at depths from several hundred meters up to several kilometers. Found both onshore and offshore, and they can be formed only at certain geological conditions. For today, drilling is the only way to prove the presence or absence of subsoil hydrocarbons. But considering the high cost of drilling, certain other methods of oil discovery are usually applied beforehand. First of all, geologists must identify a lead, an area which may possibly contain petroleum based on geological criteria. Then the geologists must work together with the geophysics who study the physical properties of underground formations via seismic surveys. During a seismic survey, seismic waves are generated artificially by explosives or tampered tracks. These waves are transmitted into the subsoil layers and propagated to deep rock formations where they are reflected and refracted at certain geological discontinuities. The returned reflected waves are received by special receivers or geophones located at the surface in various configurations. The receivers are connected to a recording device which acquires the data. There are several types of seismic data acquisitions, two-dimensional, three-dimensional, and relatively new four-dimensional. Usually 3D two-dimensional acquisition is used for extensive exploration, and 3D and 4D for finer prospecting and offshore programs. During second stage, the data obtained from seismic surveys is first processed and interpreted and evaluated. Raw seismic data is processed by special computer uh, software. As soon as geological and seismic studies are completed and are deemed satisfactory, the lead is refined as a prospect. In the third stage, exploration drilling takes place. Drilling is the only certain way to prove the presence of hydrocarbons, to provide valuable information about the properties of underground rocks and fluids, and provide accurate lithological information. Drilling can take a long time, from several weeks to several months, depending on specific geological conditions at the site. One of the important operations during drilling is wireline logging, intended to study various rock properties. Oil exploration is usually an expensive and risky operation. Exploration of a small onshore hydrocarbon deposit may cost upwards of 1 million USD. Due to its enormous cost, offshore exploration is generally undertaken by large multinational corporations or national oil companies. Typical shallow continental shelf oil wells may cost upwards of 10 or to 30 million USD, while deepwater wells may cost up to 100 million USD. That's all for today's lesson. I think it gave you useful information. Good luck in your work. If you want to continue the lesson, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.